All right, let's dive into one of the most ambitious projects happening in tech right now, Grezorea's unified AI. We're going to break down its brain, its backbone, and what a system like this really means for the future. So, let's get into it.
So let's just start with this one big idea. What if all of our technology, I mean everything, your phone, your car, your smartwatch, what if it could all learn together, like a single unified intelligence?
Because, let's be real, that's not how any of this works today. Our tech lives in these little isolated bubbles. Your phone has no idea what your smart thermostat is learning. Your work computer doesn't talk to your car's navigation system. All that potential learning, all that innovation, it just gets trapped. And that's the core problem Grezorea is trying to solve.
So how do you fix that? Well, Grezorea's answer to all that fragmentation is to create a single, constantly evolving ecosystem that's built to connect everything from the ground up.
But what does a unified ecosystem even mean? Think about it like this. It's a platform where everything is woven together. The hardware, the software, the AI. They aren't just running side by side, nope. They are in constant communication, learning from each other, and making the entire system smarter in real time.
And you can really see the difference here. On the left, that's the old way of doing things. Isolated, static, where good ideas get stuck. But on the right, you see the Grezorea model. Unified, adaptive, where knowledge and data can flow everywhere. It's really the difference between a box full of separate parts and a single living organism.
Okay, so how does this actually work under the hood? Well, it all starts with what you could call the central brain of the entire operation, a system they call RBAOS.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? It's like the conductor of a massive orchestra. Its job isn't to play any single instrument. Its job is to make sure every single piece of hardware and software is playing together in perfect harmony.
And this brain is, well, it's busy. It's constantly looking at all the data coming in, optimizing how everything is running, and turning all that raw information into actual, usable intelligence. This is the key that unlocks the whole self-learning part of the system.
So, if RBOS is the brain, what's giving it all that power? You've got it. That would be the AI backbone, a whole group of powerful models known as the O series.
Yep, the O series models are the engine room. They're providing the raw, foundational intelligence that RBAOS then gets to direct and orchestrate. So if RBAOS is the conductor, the O series models are the world-class musicians who actually provide the incredible talent.
And this isn't just one thing, it's like layers of intelligence stacked on top of each other. It starts with foundational learning in O12, then it climbs up to predictive analytics with O14, then to really advanced decision-making with O16, all the way up to completely autonomous operations with O18. Every single layer is a huge leap in what the system can do.
Okay, so we've looked at the brain and we've looked at the backbone. Now let's zoom back out and see how this all comes together to form this living ecosystem.
And here it is. This is where it all just clicks. Grezorea is the body, the whole thing. RBOS is the brain, the one in charge. And the O series is the backbone, providing all the smarts. See? Each part has its own vital role, but they only work when they're all together as one functional whole.
And you have to understand, the sheer scale required to make this work it's just wild. Powering this whole thing takes thousands of GPUs and high-performance servers. This isn't just an idea on a whiteboard, it's a massive, functioning infrastructure built for an incredible amount of computational power.
So, what's the big deal? Why does this even matter? Well, for one, it's constantly improving. The system literally gets smarter with every single thing it does. It's also modular, which means new tech can just plug right in and immediately add value to the whole. And maybe most importantly, it's designed from day one to adapt and evolve, which kind of makes it future-proof. And that really leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to think about. When a single AI ecosystem becomes this powerful, this interconnected, and this capable of learning all on its own, what does the future of innovation even begin to look like?